solve the problem of Delhi. If you don't solve the problem of Delhi, then how can your country be developed?
I have told you many times, we can solve one problem, two problems, but in New Delhi there are
It means that you
a lot
won't.
of.
It means that you won't solve the problem,
Okay.
and your country won't be developed.
Take an example of New Delhi's education system. We are protesting for many weeks. We have been protesting for many weeks. Nothing is happening. So how can we solve problem when we are unable to solve education problem?
On the one hand,
Ritika, I would like to ask you one question from you. That is, you gave the data about area of Delhi. That is 1,000 something. So that is wrong. The area of your capital is 42.7 square kilometer. I have proof. Okay.
So topic of our debate is, should Mumbai become capital of India or should Delhi remain capital? So to tell you this, I would like to call Ritika from Sabah's team and Nas from Rimshah's team.
Assalamualaikum to my respected judge and my dear friends. Today I would like to tell you that why should Delhi remain the capital of our India. First reason behind my opinion that is really simple and common, expensive. If I talk about the expenses which we are going to spend if we move our capital from Delhi to Mumbai is more than our planning. Let me give you an example like Indonesia. We all know about that Indonesia changed its capital from Jakarta to Nasuntra, and they had to spend more than 33 billions of dollars. Now you must imagine that if we spend this much amount of money on such thing which we are already having, and it is doing work efficiently without any kind of flow, so it would be wastage of money simply. And if I talk about effect on economy, so it would be very hazardous for our development. That's all.
Hello everyone, and I am Naz. Today I'm gonna prove myself that why Mumbai should be capital of India. So before telling those things by which I think Mumbai should be capital of India, I want to tell you those things on account of which I think New Delhi should not remain the capital of India. As you talked, Miss, as you said, Miss, what not New Delhi is giving us. I want to tell you what New Delhi is giving us. New Delhi is most polluted country, not only just in India, in all over the world. It is infamous for pollution. Not only this, but also it has first rank in terms of crimes across the India. Not only this, it is infamous for abusing. Not only this, I want to tell you environment of New Delhi. Means we know what is the environment of New Delhi. And as yesterday many worthy opponents were talking about historical places and Supreme Court, Parliament. So even though this Parliament located and Supreme Court, even if it is located in New Delhi, however, means political stability is not here. It means, as one of my opponent was mentioned, that if there is a problem, so we should solve this problem. Not means it is not problem that we should shift our capital to Mumbai. It's not a problem. But how can we solve problem? And there is one problem. There's two problems. There's three problems. There are a lot of problems. And as we all know that against education system of New Delhi, we are agitating. Nothing is happening. So that's why I think that Mumbai should be capital of India.
As my beloved opponent talked about political stability and most polluted place in our whole India, I would like to tell you that most polluted place doesn't mean that it's not political stable. Let me tell you why did Britisher and our emperors choose Delhi as our capital of our India, because they knew that it is politically powerful for our India. Let me give you the real reason behind it. Strategic location. Our Britishers and emperors chose Delhi because they knew that the Delhi is in center of our India, and it is strategic locations for the war and all. That's why they chose this. And as she talked about most polluted, so sister, we should get the solution of this.
There is a problem, one problem, two problems, so we can solve. But there are a lot of problems.
Okay.
So I think that Mumbai should be capital.
Okay, just tell me one benefit of shifting from Delhi to Mumbai. Just one benefit. One benefit. Just tell me one benefit from moving from Delhi to Mumbai.
Okay, I want to tell you one benefit, Miss, when we will shift our capital to Mumbai. So as we all know, India is known as a poor country because people of other country define any country on the behalf of its country. So New Delhi is poor. That's why India is known as a poor country. When Mumbai would be capital, as we all know that it is modern country, it is richest country, and so means on the behalf of means per capital, people will know and people will define India as a rich country. And whenever any problem, any emergency will come, so any country would be ready to help us financially. So it is the benefit of Mumbai.
It means you are saying that it will help us to grow our economy, right?
It is helping us.
It is helping. I agree here. But I want to ask you a simple question that our India is developing, There would be many
Yes, it
other
is
cities.
developing.
There would be many other cities which would be developing, which would be developed in future, and maybe they will be more developed than the Mumbai. So should we move from Mumbai to those cities too?
So just on the behalf of one thing, I'm not saying that Mumbai should be capital of
so
India.
tell me
There are
other
many
things
things.
too.
I'm telling. So if I talk about that, what big institutes are located in Mumbai? So there is Bank of Duns. Reserve Bank of India is located in New Delhi, means in Mumbai. The Bombay Stock Exchange, the Nation Stock Exchange, and the biggest company which are famous in the world of India, these all are located in Mumbai, like Tata, Birla, Reliance. So that's why I think, and education system of Mumbai is also good. And Mumbai is safety place also as compared to New Delhi.
May I
that's
see?
why.
Okay, now I'd like to move to my next point that is related to area. If I talk about the area of Delhi, that is 1,484 kilometers square. But on the other hand, Mumbai's area is 603 kilometers square. And if I talk about the data, there are more than 170 embassies of foreign countries, foreign major countries, and they need to be closer to parliament, president, and other government offices. So it means if we move from Delhi to Mumbai, we would have to build them again, and there is no place in Mumbai. So how can we build? Will we snatch the places of people?
Okay, I want to ask simple question to you. Miss, what capital of any country should it represent? Tell.
It should represent the country, I would say, and Delhi is representing because you can see there are many
I'm
places.
telling you, let it be. Miss, I'm telling you what it representing. I'm telling you that, Miss, I have told you that it is polluted country. And foreigners doesn't want to come New Delhi because it is polluted country. So it is polluted country, polluted cities. Yes, it is polluted city. So foreigners are not ready to come here. That's why. It is not representing Miss our good reputation in whole over the world.
As she is talking about that foreigners are not coming in our Delhi. So I told you that there are more than 170 embassies, means foreigners are coming here and they are doing work. Do you know, according to the data, 85 to 90% of diplomatic missions are done in Delhi.
So, hello, Na sister, how are
Hello,
you?
I am fine. What about you?
I'm also fine. So, as you were talking about that Delhi has so many problems, that is why we should move to Mumbai. And the reason behind it, you are saying Mumbai should be the capital. The main reason is about development, right?
Yes, it is developing.
So you wanna say that we should move to the Mumbai and we should not solve the problem of Delhi. If you don't solve the problem of Delhi, then how can your country be developed?
Okay, I have told you many times we can solve one problem, two problems, but in New Delhi there
It means that you won't. It means that you won't solve the problem,
Okay.
and your country won't be developed.
take an example of New Delhi's education system. We are protesting for many weeks. We have been protesting for many weeks. Nothing is happening. So how can we solve problem when we are unable to solve education problem?
On the one hand, you're talking about the development. On the other hand, you have given up to solve the problems. So
Nothing
how
is
can you
happening.
develop?
I have told you, miss, we have been agitating for many years.
Okay, Irtika, I would like to ask you one question from you. That is, you gave the data about area of Delhi. That is 1,000 something. So that is wrong. The area of your capital is 42.7 square kilometer. I have proof. Okay. So how can you say means New Delhi, your capital, is bigger than Mumbai?
Because she is talking about Delhi and we are talking about New Delhi.
Ladara, sir.
Yes, I am telling, miss. Just I am telling why she.
Why?
I talked about, yeah, she is right. I talked about Delhi, not New Delhi, but I talked about the data which is all over in Delhi.
You must talk about your capital because here we are talking about capitals and we are trying to change it.
Okay.
At the end, I would like to say, Miss.
Yeah, as she is talking about that, what were you talking about? I forgot by mistake. What she talked about. At last, I would like to say that don't shift the capital, just uplift the capital.